The world of artificial intelligence and robotics has just taken another massive leap forward, and this time, it comes from one of the most talked about innovators of our generation. Elon Musk has officially revealed new details about the Tesla Bot Gen 3, and the announcement is already sending shockwaves across the tech industry. What was once seen as a futuristic concept is now rapidly becoming a reality that could transform how humans live, work, and interact with machines. The Tesla Bot, also known as Optimus, is no longer just a prototype walking slowly on a stage. It is evolving into a highly capable humanoid robot designed to handle real-world tasks with surprising efficiency. In this latest update, Musk emphasized that Tesla Bot Gen 3 is not just an incremental improvement. Instead, it represents a major breakthrough in both hardware and software. Tesla has completely reworked the robot's internal systems, focusing on better balance, faster processing, and more human-like movement. Unlike earlier versions, which struggled with coordination and speed, Gen 3 is designed to move smoothly and perform complex actions without constant supervision. This is largely due to Tesla's advancements in AI training models, many of which are derived from the same neural networks used in Tesla's self-driving cars. One of the most exciting aspects of the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its improved intelligence. The robot is now capable of understanding and responding to instructions in a much more natural way. Instead of relying on rigid programming, it uses advanced machine learning to interpret tasks and adapt to new situations. This means it can learn on the job, becoming more efficient over time. For example, if assigned to clean a house, the robot can figure out the layout, identify objects, and determine the best way to complete the task without needing step-by-step instructions. Another major highlight of the announcement is the robot's ability to perform a wide range of tasks. According to Musk, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 can now handle everything from basic household chores to more demanding industrial work. It can cook simple meals, organize items, carry objects, and even assist in warehouses or factories. This versatility is what sets it apart from other robots currently on the market. While many robots are designed for specific functions, Tesla's approach is to create a general-purpose humanoid that can adapt to multiple roles. The design of the Tesla Bot has also been significantly improved. Gen 3 features a more refined and human-like appearance, with better joint flexibility and enhanced grip strength. Its hands are particularly noteworthy as they are capable of delicate movements, such as picking up small objects or using tools. This level of precision opens up a wide range of possibilities, especially in environments where careful handling is required. Tesla has also focused on making the robot safer to operate around humans, incorporating advanced sensors and real-time feedback systems to prevent accidents. Battery life and energy efficiency have been major challenges in robotics, but Tesla appears to have made significant progress in this area as well. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 is equipped with a more efficient battery system that allows it to operate for longer periods without needing a recharge. Musk hinted that the robot could potentially work for several hours continuously, making it practical for both home and workplace use. This improvement is crucial, as it brings the robot closer to being a reliable and cost-effective solution for everyday tasks. One of the most talked about aspects of the announcement is the potential impact of Tesla Bot Gen 3 on the job market. Musk has openly stated that robots like Optimus could eventually replace humans in certain types of work, particularly those that are repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding. While this raises concerns about job displacement, it also opens up new opportunities. Humans could shift their focus to more creative and strategic roles, while robots handle the labor-intensive tasks. Musk believes that this transition could lead to a future of abundance, where goods and services become more accessible and affordable. The integration of Tesla Bot with Tesla's existing ecosystem is another key factor in its development. The robot is designed to work seamlessly with Tesla's AI infrastructure, benefiting from the company's vast experience in autonomous systems. This includes the use of real-world data collected from Tesla vehicles, which helps train the robot to navigate and interact with its environment more effectively. By leveraging this data, Tesla can accelerate the learning process and continuously improve the robot's performance through software updates. During the announcement, Musk also discussed the long-term vision for Tesla Bot. He envisions a future where millions of these robots are deployed worldwide, assisting people in their daily lives. From helping the elderly to supporting businesses, the possibilities are virtually endless. Musk even suggested that owning a personal robot could become as common as owning a smartphone. This idea, while ambitious, reflects the rapid pace of technological advancement and Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome. Developing a fully autonomous humanoid robot is an incredibly complex task, and Tesla is still in the early stages of this journey. Issues such as reliability, safety, and affordability need to be addressed before the Tesla bot can be widely adopted. However, the progress shown in Gen 3 indicates that Tesla is moving in the right direction. Each iteration brings the company closer to achieving its goal of creating a practical and scalable robotic solution. Public reaction to the announcement has been mixed, with some people expressing excitement and others raising concerns. Supporters see the Tesla bot as a revolutionary technology that could improve quality of life and drive economic growth. Critics, on the other hand, worry about the ethical implications and potential risks associated with advanced AI. Questions about privacy, control, and the role of robots in society are becoming increasingly important as the technology evolves. Despite these concerns, there is no denying the significance of Tesla's progress. The Tesla bot Gen 3 represents a major step forward in the field of robotics, combining cutting-edge AI with innovative engineering. It showcases what is possible when a company invests heavily in research and development, pushing the limits of what machines can do. Whether or not it lives up to all the hype remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the future of robotics is unfolding faster than ever before. Another interesting point from Musk's announcement is the potential for Tesla bot to assist in space exploration. Given Musk's involvement with space technology, it's not surprising that he sees robots playing a role in missions beyond Earth. The Tesla bot could be used to perform tasks in harsh environments, such as building structures or maintaining equipment on other planets. This adds another layer of significance to the project, as it extends its impact beyond everyday life on Earth. In terms of competition, Tesla is not the only company working on humanoid robots. However, its unique approach and strong focus on AI give it a competitive edge. By integrating its expertise in autonomous driving and machine learning, Tesla is able to create a robot that is not only functional, but also adaptable. This combination of hardware and software innovation is what sets Tesla apart and positions it as a leader in the robotics industry. As the announcement continues to gain attention, it's clear that the Tesla bot Gen 3 is more than just a technological achievement. It's a glimpse into the future, a future where humans and robots coexist, working together to achieve greater efficiency and productivity. While there are still many questions to be answered, the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. Elon Musk's big announcement about the Tesla bot Gen 3 marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of robotics. With its advanced capabilities, improved design, and ambitious vision, the Tesla bot is poised to change the way we think about machines and their role in our lives. Whether it becomes a household necessity or remains a specialized tool, its impact will undoubtedly be felt across multiple industries. As Tesla continues to refine and develop this technology, the world will be watching closely, eager to see what comes next in this exciting journey toward a more automated future.